In this question, we have to determine the Poisson's ratio and bulk modulus of the material, for which Young's modulus is 1.2 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square and modulus of rigidity is 4.8 into 10 power 4 Newton per millimeter square. This is another question of elastic constants where we have to find the Poisson's ratio and bulk modulus of the material. The given conditions are Young's modulus is given 1.2 into 10 power 5 Newton per millimeter square and modulus of rigidity is given 4.8 into 10 power 4 Newton per millimeter square. So let us solve this problem. In this question, there is a material whose Young's modulus of elasticity is given 120 gigapascal and modulus of rigidity is given 48 gigapascal. These two things are given and we have to find out these two constants, mu and k. These we have to find out for that material, right? So this is simple question of formula based, that we know what is relation between E and G in terms of mu. We know that E is equal to 2G 1 plus mu. There is one unknown because other things are given. E is 120 gigapascal. So 120 gigapascal. G can also be written in gigapascal. So 2 times G. G is 48 gigapascal. 48 1 plus mu. One unknown, one equation, one unknown. It can be easily solved. So you will get the value of mu as 0.25. So this is one of the answer of this question. 0.25. So how we calculated this? Using the formula only, that E is equal to 2G into 1 plus mu, right? And using this, only mu will remain unknown and we can find out the mu, right? Another is to find out K. When mu is known, so there are two methods to find out K. We know the relation between E, G and K. The relation is known to us. Otherwise, as mu is known to us, we can directly find out the value of K with the relation between E and K. So what is relation between E and K? E equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu is equal to 3K 1 minus 2 mu. E is known 120 gigapascal, 3K is unknown, 1 minus mu is known now 0.25. So K will be equal to, you will get K, one equation, one unknown, you will get the K, and the answer will be in gigapascal, 80 gigapascal. After solving, you will get this answer, right? So this is the method to solve the unknowns, constants for a given equation, right? Another way is that suppose you do not want to find out mu in between, only K is to be found out. Then we have direct relation between E, G and K. And what is that relation? That E is equal to 9 kg by 3K plus G. Remember this equation. By solving, we have obtained this equation 9 kg by 3K plus G, right? From here also we can find out K directly without knowing the mu. So E is known to us 120 gigapascal, 9, K is unknown, G is known to us 48, divided by 3 multiplied K, we have to find out K plus G is 48. One equation, one unknown, K is unknown here, easily can be found out, and you will get the value of K as 80 gigapascal. Again you will find the same value of this K, right? So either you can find out through this relation, first you find out mu and then you find out K. Otherwise you can directly find out K from the relation between E, G and K, which we have derived in our theory session.